I'm going to be showing you a design that I pulled off of the Cricut design space, which is a beehive. I'm going to be making a beehive for my granddaughter's birthday, which is in November. And I'm going to be showing you the materials I use to make this. So I hope you enjoy it. Any questions, leave a comment, like, don't forget to subscribe. And that's the foam paper, foam crafting paper. And that's cardstock, which it was 8.5 by 11 something. But yeah, but I used black construction paper for the outlining, which was 9 by 11. Enjoy, thanks.